We'll try again next time. Not with you though, kid. Sorry.
Are you going to give the grins?
What are you doing? Oh. What are you doing? Did you still need a bath? Hmm? Did you still need a bath?
She's dirty.
You're dirty. Are you a smelly kid? And it's all my fault. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Oh.
You get some grins?
Almost. Almost.
She just gave you a huge smile, which of course we missed.
Oh. You very busy?
Always. Uh-oh.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Whoa. Do you need your pinky? Do you need your pinky? I'm trying to look at you, Mom, and you're too close. Yeah, you're too close.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that was relatively harmless. No more grins?
You're going to get her all cuddled in there?
You can watch the TV? Hey, your face is getting so much better. Yes, it is. It is. She doesn't want to talk about it. You don't want to talk about it? Okay. Okay.
What? Didn't mean that, sorry, whoops.